Hi guys, it's Nayana here and I'm back with another video. Yeah, so in today's video I'm going to use socks to make bikini top. Yeah, bikini top. I'm using socks to make bikini, and the last time I also used socks to make headband, and I have the video here, so if you haven't seen the video, kindly check that one out. And before we move on, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new here, welcome to this family. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share my video, and thank you so much for the support. So this is what you need for this simple DIY. This is the socks and a strap. Yeah, but I use shoelace. You see, I always make my DIY simple for you guys. I don't want to stress you guys, so you can use a strap, or I used shoelace, and also a pair of scissors. Now let's get right into the video. So this is the small size, and I will use it on my little sister over there. She's always worrying me. She doesn't want me to make the video, but I'm there for you guys, so don't mind her. But this is her size, okay? So I'm going to use her size to make the bikini top.
Not my head. Not my head, it's jealous.
So the first thing we are going to do, this is the full socks, and I'm going to cut this side. Guys, this one, no long talk, no English, no blah blah blah. I'm not going to talk much because it's very simple, so I'm just going to cut here. Yeah, so this is what that's my little sister, and I'm going to make the bikini for her. Come, say hi. She did her own makeup, okay? So I'll call you back, okay? So this is what you are going to get, okay? And the other one, this is the other one. I'm going to cut here too, okay?
Yeah, it's not nice.
This girl is worrying me.
And this one too. This girl too is worrying.
Please don't mind her, and I'm so sorry for
and
her.
not my
I'm
head
disturbing, okay?
And not my head too.
So this is what you're also going to get. So bring the sauce. So this is what you get, and also I'm going to cut. I'm going to make a small hole here. Here's the full sauce, and I hope you get it. So I'm going to make a small hole here.
I want to do some.
So I'm making.
Oh, sister,
You
please,
fold
I want
this
to
side
do
and
some. Oh, sister, I want to do some.
you can't do it.
I can't
So
do. Oh, please.
that's the hole.
Oh, please. I'll do some.
And same to the other one. I'm coming, okay? You do it. No. Yes. And we are done with the scissors. It's time for the strap, and we are going to use it here.
I said I'll do it again.
This is the full socks. I'll let you do it, okay? This is the full socks. And I'm going to use here. So I'm going to insert the strap. Because it's shoelace, it's so easy for me to insert. If it's other strap, you can insert this with a help of pin. Yeah, that one will be fast. But because this is a shoelace, it's also easy for me to use it, okay? And the same thing to the other one. So this is what we have now, but let me tight it before, okay, because we are not done. And with a hole, you need another strap, but a short one, so I'm just combining this, okay. But this. So this is what you're going to get. As you become. Come. So I'm going to use it on my sister, okay. So it is the hole. I'm going to wait. Is it nice?
Yes.
So you see, this socks is even big. It's not her size. But I also made one for myself, so I'll show that one to you. And because it's big, I have to remove the short strap. Then I'll tight it at the back. So I removed the short strap, so I'm going to tight this at the back, okay? So guys, this is my little sister in her bikini. It's just simple, and this is how it's going to look. Because she has no boobs, this is how it's going to look. It's too flat. I'll show mine to you to see the difference. And the socks was too big for her, so with the case you have to use the small size, the small size, and I think this is the medium size. Yeah, so let me see the back. This is how the back looks. And also with the strap that we fixed it here, we made a hole and I inserted the strap here, but because the sauce is too big for her, I had to remove it and tight it. Yeah, and I hope you love it. Do you like it? I'm going to show you mine too, then you see the difference. Okay, you can even put breast cup inside. I'll show you that part. Okay guys, so I'm doing this for myself, and this is the big size. So it's bigger than this. This is the medium, and this is mine. So for you to know the steps very well, I'll do this and you watch again, okay?
Make sure you look at her. Why not look at her? She'll beat you. So look at her.
Guys, forgive me, okay? I have
Forgive
no
me,
choice.
okay?
I've been waiting for her to sleep before I do it, but
Hey, she's lying and I don't sleep right.
and as usual, this is a no sew DIY, not even glue. I didn't add any glue to it. You and I know that my DIY, they are all simple. I always make simple DIY for you guys. I don't want to stress you guys, so
She will stress you, not my head. Oh.
for those who have big boobs, you see the shape of this part, you can put boobs pad here to cover your nipples. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is my end. My socks too is also big because I have small something. So for to those who have the big, I hope you get that, you can use this strap. Okay, but thank you, but because mine is small, I have to remove the strap. Okay, then I'll tighten. So this is how it's going to look. Beautiful. This is my sister and I in our bikini from socks. And guys, how is it? Okay guys, so I hope you like this simple DIY. No sew, no glue, just a simple DIY. How to turn, how to keep quiet. How to make bikini top from socks, and it's so simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly give me a thumbs up, drop your comments, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification so that you don't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.